This is our 2013 Ford Fusion. The power seat going forward, back, leaning back, everything just it completely stopped working on it. I checked all the fuses, or checked the two fuses that were labeled for power seat modules on here, but as it turns out, I had to do a little bit of digging. It's not the fuse that actually is causing the problem, and the problem that it was having that doesn't actually say that it is the power seat for the driver's side. It is labeled as the 7.5 amp fuse. It is the number 2 fuse in there, and it shows memory seats, lumbar, and power mirror. What I did to get past this is unzip this back of the driver's seat, and I pulled on these some wires that were here, and the two ends were just exposed. So what I did is I clipped the ends of them off just with a pair of clippers, and then I electrical taped them together. And what I'm going to do is to just put that back in there. My lumbar won't work, but that's the least of my problems. I would rather have the power seat going. If you want to try to put that back on there, I guess it's a common problem with that power lumbar connector getting pulled, and it pulls back out. So to avoid that happening again, because I'd rather have my power seat working than lumbar, I just went ahead and cut those off, put electrical tape around them, replaced that one fuse, and I did as a test before I even cut those wires and taped them off. Just had the wires hanging out there, not touching. You can see all this works, which is what I needed. Then the power lumbar, won't work, but it's not hooked up, and I really don't care. So anyways, that got my seat back to working. It was stuck in an annoying position. So anyways, if this was helpful to you, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.